Join me as I explore the latest features of the 2025 Volvo XC90, a luxury SUV that continues Volvo's tradition of merging safety, refinement, and innovation. First introduced in 2002, the XC90 quickly gained acclaim for its groundbreaking engineering and Scandinavian design. Now, the 2025 version stands ready to push boundaries even further. From the outside, you'll notice the signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights, a sculpted hood, and sleek body lines. The refreshed grille features vertical chrome slats, while the rear boasts reshaped LED taillights and a more streamlined bumper. Overall, the exterior exudes a bold yet minimalist style that shows off Volvo's Scandinavian roots. Under the hood, the 2025 XC90 offers an advanced, mild hybrid setup for its base engine, combining a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder with a 48V electric system. This configuration delivers around 295 horsepower, ensuring quick acceleration and decent fuel economy. There's also a T8 plug-in hybrid version, which elevates total output to an impressive 455 horsepower and provides roughly 30 miles of pure electric driving. In the T8, the 11.6 kilowatt-hour battery can fully recharge in about 3 hours using a level 2 charger, letting you handle short commutes on electric power alone. This helps the XC90 stand out among plug-in hybrids by blending eco-friendly motoring with the versatility of a large SUV. Performance is notable for its smoothness. Steering is precise, and the suspension has been tuned for maximum comfort without sacrificing agility. All-wheel drive is standard on higher trims, allowing drivers to feel confident in a variety of road conditions. Volvo wants you to feel safe and secure, so every element of the XC90 is engineered with peace of mind in mind. Inside, you're treated to plush Nappa leather seats, genuine wood inlays, and a spacious cabin that accommodates up to 7 passengers. The seats offer excellent lumbar support, while optional massage functions on higher trims add an extra layer of luxury. The panoramic sunroof bathes the interior in natural light, emphasizing the airy and modern design. Technology is equally impressive. The XC90 features a large, portrait-oriented touchscreen with updated infotainment software. Google integration is now standard, bringing voice-activated navigation and intuitive smartphone connectivity. A digital driver display keeps crucial information front and center, and the head-up display projects key details directly onto the windshield. Safety remains a hallmark of Volvo engineering. The 2025 XC90 includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and blind spot monitoring with steering support. The updated City Safety Suite can detect pedestrians, cyclists, and large animals, automatically braking if a collision is imminent. Volvo insists safety is never optional, which becomes clear once you experience these technologies in action. Fuel efficiency is respectable, especially in the plug-in hybrid model. The T8's combined rating is around 55 mpga when using both electric power and traditional fuel. Even the mild hybrid system offers improved city mileage, thanks to regenerative braking and start-stop functionality. It's a clear reflection of Volvo's commitment to sustainability. Cargo capacity is also generous. Fold the third row flat and you'll have room for most everyday needs. The power tailgate makes loading and unloading seamless, and the XC90 transforms into a practical family hauler with minimal effort. Comparing the XC90 to key rivals like the BMW X5 and Audi Q7 underscores Volvo's focus on relaxed elegance. Though the BMW may feel sportier, and the Audi might impress tech-savvy buyers with extensive digital displays, the XC90's balanced ride, refined cabin materials, and unwavering safety innovations create a uniquely appealing package. It's a sanctuary on wheels that prioritizes occupant well-being. Of course, premium quality comes with a premium price tag. Base models might seem costly compared to non-luxury SUVs, and the T8 plug-in hybrid can push well past that initial figure, especially if you opt for higher trims. Availability could also pose challenges for those who want specific customizations. Nevertheless, the 2025 Volvo XC90 remains a standout in the crowded luxury SUV market. The brand's heritage of safety is evident in every detail, from the comprehensive airbag system to the robust driver assist features. Combine that with tasteful design, refined performance, and an eco-conscious approach, and you have an SUV that excels in both style and substance. I'd rate it 8.5 out of 10 for its thoughtful balance of comfort, efficiency, and cutting-edge safety. If you prioritize a serene cabin, a premium feel, and a secure driving experience, the XC90 is hard to beat. Be sure to explore the T8 plug-in variant if you're seeking an extra boost of performance alongside lower emissions. Thanks for joining me in this deep dive into the 2025 Volvo XC90. If you've enjoyed this look at Volvo's flagship SUV, stay tuned for more detailed reviews on my channel. And let me know in the comments what aspect of this model intrigues you the most. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the journey in style.